Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom print format in ERPNext so you can generate professional branded documents like invoices and delivery notes that perfectly match your business identity in 2026. Let's get into it. First, use the global search for New Print Format. The fastest way to jump into the creation process in 2026 is by using the ERPNext command bar, which bypasses multiple menu layers. Click into the search bar at the very top of your ERPNext dashboard or press Ctrl-G. Type in the phrase New Print Format and select the top result that appears with the plus icon. In 2026, the global search is AI enhanced. Typing New Print Format directly triggers a shortcut to the creation screen rather than just taking you to the list view. This saves you several clicks and allows you to start building your template immediately while the design requirements are fresh in your mind. Next, define the doc type and format type. Before you start designing, you must tell the system which document this format belongs to and how it should be rendered. In the Doc Type field, select the document you want to design for, Egg Sales Invoice. Give your format a unique print format name like Modern Blue Invoice 2026. Under Print Format Type, you have two main choices, Jinja or JS. For most users, selecting Jinja is the professional standard. Ensure the Custom Format checkbox is ticked if you plan to write your own HTML or CSS. This is the foundation step. Choosing the correct doc type ensures that the system pulls the right data fields like customer name or total amount. In 2026, the Jinja engine is preferred because it allows for high-speed server-side rendering, making your PDF generation faster and more reliable during high-volume billing cycles. Scroll down to the Custom CSS and HTML sections. You can write CSS classes to change font styles, add borders, or set specific brand colors. Professional branding often requires specific typography or layouts that a drag-and-drop tool can't quite hit. In 2026, ERPNext gives you full access to the underlying code, meaning you can create complex logic like showing a paid watermark only if the invoice status is paid, giving your documents an intelligent, automated feel. And finally, click Save in the top right. And that's pretty much it. To create a print format in ERPNext for 2026, type New Print Format in the search bar, select your doc type, and choose Jinja as your format type. Use the Edit Layout tool to drag and drop your fields, apply custom CSS for branding, and finally, set it as default to ensure all your outgoing documents look professional and consistent. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.